sprayed effectively over this area, so we should expect hostile. Ground days have gone dark, so we should also expect to do some searching when we get to this year. Remain private now. This angle is rifle over a city crocodile is completely cratered. These people of the church have been speared off. We leaned closer to the window to focus on what looked like an arm sticking out of the rubble. We raised his strip to confirm that saw only bones. The violence had stuck it dry like a chicken wing. He lowered his rifle. Remember, our mission is to find...
Oh, he's getting a bit speedy today. Getting a bit too speedy. Oh.
Oh my god! Why did he...
It's fucking scary.
I honestly don't know how to get away with it. I really don't.
No. What?
Oh, there's no place, though. There's no place. Why the hell is
You fucking cunt! What the fuck?
9% of people would rather not part of the collective.
That's kind of what I'm getting.
I'm at 70.
70? Oh, you have more eager people.
Third.
You guys eager.
That says something about those Facebook people wanting to be part of the collective.
They practically are already.
Wow. Makes sense.
All right, I'm gonna bring this together. We all have some really.
No.
I'm assigning some final.
Dahil lang sa'yo, Pinay, sobrang fine. Ganda niya'y under fine. Just wanna hold you tight. Just Pinay, you're so fine.
I don't think my wheel's on properly. Every time I turn it like jolts. Cunt! My wheel just came off, bro.
What the heck is going on right here? This person's sparking, all doors open right here. I cannot believe this guy's car is even going down the 405 freeway, but he's making it happen here on one wheel apparently. Rather dangerous situation happening here on the 405. Tailgate open. There's no tailgate party going on in sight, but this guy is just letting it all hang loose right now. Front wheel is definitely out. Let's see what this person's smoking. Ma'am. Ma'am. What are you doing? Get off the road. Miss, get out of the car.
Yeah.
Are you on drugs right now?
No, not at all. My car gave out. I mean, I had somebody help me before, and apparently the brake did not stop.
Do you know you're driving on 3 wheels right now? Your wheel's completely out. You just crashed into this gentleman right here.
You almost
You're
hit
a
us.
hazard. You're on the freeway.
80 miles on the freeway, on the 3 wheels.
I'm going to trade it.
You need to get out of the car.
I will.
Just get out of the car, miss.
Just leave the car.
You're on drugs right now. You're on painkillers. There's
So leave
yes,
the
you
car.
are.
Oh my God.
You are on some drugs right now.
Oh my God, absolutely.
Put your
not.
car.